it's still actually a crazy week so far. As we can see, the signals which I have sent you last midweek analysis video have all reversed from the take profit level, as we can see right here, and on the pound USD as well, except of course for the AUDUSD. However, USDCAD also reversed from the take profit level. USDJPY is now active. USDCHF has of course reversed from the take profit level as well of course of the gold, which has also reversed from the take profit level. So I hope by now everyone knows already. I have said this a million times actually. Once a signal reverses from the take profit level, do not enter the signal. Actually, I said this in every single video for the last year. Maybe the new followers, I should have been more fair with them and informed them about this. But my friends, once a signal reverses from the take profit level, we should never enter it again. But the good news is, for the premium group, however, it was a totally different story. Check out all these profits that we have made with the premium signals. Of course, we had 2 stop losses, which is normal with this crazy market, but as you can see, the rest of the signals have went straight to the profit. Now, of course, I need to mention something here. The market is really moving very fast. It's moving in high volatility right now due to the situation of the pound. So when we are sending the signal with these 20 pips of profit, the market actually moves very fast. So by the time that we are actually writing this signal and type it on Telegram and send it, the market has already reversed. This problem has actually been marked already with the people who are not with the copy trade, with the AutoTrader, the clients who are actually using the signal by themselves. However, those who are on the AutoTrader, they did not complain about such a problem. So let me just show you something. This is of course the AutoTrader, and these are the options that we are offering to the clients who join this service. With AutoTrader, the signals will be opened for you automatically, meaning you don't have to actually wait in front of your computer and wait for us to send you the signals. You can go to option number 3 if you want. Open one position, close position after take profit is reached. So what you will do is simply like that. You will just put your trading account details right here. You will select your broker, your platform. If it's MetaTrader 4 or 5, then you will select your plan right here. Select your trading scale. Is it fixed lot volume? If it is, then select option number 3 if you want, and select what lot size you want to use for every signal. You can use 0.5 lot size for every signal opened. Or you can do something better, fix a risk ratio from your funds, which means you can actually now open more options. You can still go to option number 3, and right here you can select I want to trade with 1% from my funds or my investment, and so on. So as you can see, we're having here varying options. So it's not really our fault, my friends, if the market is moving very fast. We are doing the best we can. And for this specific issue, we have actually provided you with the solution of AutoTrader. So if you really want to find solution for these late signals, I highly advise you to switch, at least to give it a try for the AutoTrader. It will help you to open the signals automatically without you bother to open them late or not. So anyway, if you wish to join Xtreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below this video. Contact them today and hopefully we will see you there. Let's now begin with the late week analysis video, and let's begin as usual with the EURUSD. So as I have mentioned earlier, the EURUSD, my friends, has already reversed from the lowest level of a support, which was our take profit level as 0.95530. And since the market has already reversed from the take profit level, meaning the sell order is no more valid. Now, as I mentioned earlier, let's bring back some memories, shall we? So if I switch right now, and by the way, I'm muting my phone, do not annoy me. So if we switch now to the monthly chart, I told you before multiple times that we are having here right now the lowest level of a support, which means this support was lasting since October 2002. You are talking about more than 20 years, actually exactly 20 years. So right now, I told you that we can actually expect to start buying the EURUSD from the lowest level of that support, and that is exactly what's happening right now. After reversing from the take profit level and creating here a double bottom pattern, it means we can go ahead and start buying the EURUSD. Now the question is where exactly we can start buying this pair. Now let's keep in mind that we are having here a resistance level, as we can see right here at 0.97030. It seems like the EURUSD is actually facing a trouble breaking out from that level of a resistance at the meantime, which means we have to find the best level to start buying the pair, because it seems like it's going to start the reversal any moment. Now pay attention, this level 0.96603. Actually, if we check the chart right here, if we look at this structure and we see this bullish breakout candle, where is the nearest support to that bullish breakout candle? It actually lies right there. This was actually, my friends, a real level of a strong support, and seems like the market will actually be able to break out, retest that level. As we can see also, the very same level has already become a real level of a resistance in the past, which means the EURUSD has to go for about 37 pips more before it reaches that level. And the interesting thing here, of course, is if I draw here support trend line just like that, check this out. It seems like the market is actually going to respect this level as a previous support trend line. Actually, we can make it like that. That's more accurate. So as we can see, we had here the support trend line number 1, number 2, and number 3 right here. Then we had the bearish breakout candle, and pay attention, the market did not become a resistance trend line, not even for once. And the market instantly broke out from that level. Now we can simply expect from the EURUSD to fall again. First of all, that support right here at 0.96603 is going to be respected. And again, the same level of a support trend line is most likely going to be respected as well. Not only that, but of course, if I draw here a Fibonacci retracement from this, actually we can see here, we had here the previous support, which has become also a resistance. So I'm going to draw my Fibonacci from this lower high to this lower low, and check this out. This is very accurate. This was Fibonacci 61.8, and the market most likely will continue the fall to reverse, to make a pullback, and reverses exactly at 61.8. And from there, my friends, we can start buying the EURUSD and keep the trade running till the market reaches the level of 119 of Fibonacci retracement 119 at 0.97625. And of course, the safe zone should actually be ranging just a little bit lower than Fibonacci retracement number 50. Since we are having here also a strong key support level, that's going to be the lowest where we can expect from the market to go against our direction with the take profit level on that resistance, which means the take profit level is going to be placed exactly right here. We will be aiming about 111 pips of profit against simply 37. Actually, we can make it a little bit more, just to make sure everything's gonna be okay. 41 pips of the edge of the safe zone. And there goes our signal, my friends, for the EURUSD. Hopefully it's gonna be triggered, and hopefully all of us will make a very good profit from this signal. EURUSD is still rising right now. It's 41 pips far away. I believe it's going to continue the pullback upon the pressure from that resistance. At some point, I believe the EURUSD will retest the 61 Fibonacci retracement. Now moving to the Pound USD. Now checking the Pound USD, of course, very similar scenario to the EURUSD. It also has reversed from the take profit level, which makes the sell order no more valid. So right now this signal is disqualified. So right now we need to find what we can do next with the Pound USD for the remaining days of this week, of course. Now it's important to mention here, if we look at the daily chart, we can notice this strong bullish reversal. The Pound USD is now making a correction. The Pound USD actually was on its very lowest, at the lowest level of price of its history at 1.03663, making a very strong bearish breakout from the lowest level, which was recorded 1985, when I was 1 year old. If we look at this structure right now on the daily chart, we can expect from the Pound USD to actually continue the bullish reversal. On the daily chart, I can see this candle right here. This candle in the middle is a reversed hammer. I trust this candle for a bullish reversal, and usually after its appearance, the market of course starts the bullish reversal, and it's rarely to fail me. So now going to the 1 hour time frame. It's important to find the strongest levels of a support and resistance, and based on that, we will decide where exactly we can start buying the Pound USD. Now, it's important to mention that we're having right here exactly the real level of a strong support at 1.07335. Not only that, also we're having here a resistance trend line. Let me just be accurate, exactly just like that. Perfect. So now, as you can see, we had here this resistance trend line, which has been respected for 3 times at least. Then we had finally the bullish breakout from that level. Now, upon the pressure from the resistance right here at 1.09105, we can actually expect from the pound USD to continue the fall. First of all, this level of a support will be respected, and of course, that level of a broken resistance trend line will be retested again. And most likely the pound USD will continue rising right after retesting that level. Now, we have to wait for the pound USD, of course not that much. We need to rely on this support trend line right now. So let me now move to the 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, we can see clearly that we had exactly right here, perfect. But that's perfect, yes. Pay attention. Let me just zoom in more to show it to you exactly like that, yes. So now we can track this level. We can see that we had here a strong support level. Yes, this is a strong support because this was the major breakout from that level. The pound USD, my friends, has made a historical breakout of about 410 pips from that support. Now, the very same level of the support, which is so underestimated, we can see right here, the same level became a real level of a resistance. Then we had here a false breakout, which in the middle we had also a support, which has respected this support right here. And again, after that bearish breakout candle, we can see the real level of a resistance has been created not only for once, but for twice. Now again, pay attention. The very same level of this support, which you have underestimated, has already become a support right here. So we can see the market actually respecting this level. Now it became also a resistance. So I'm tracking this level candle by candle. Now after all of these respects happened, now we can see the final bullish breakout from that level. Now number one, we are having here this level of a strong support level on horizontal level, and also we are having the broken resistance trend line. All of that together indicates that the pound USD most likely will start a very good bullish reversal after it falls for about 77 pips, which is, by the way, nothing, absolutely nothing for the pound USD right now. If we switch to the 5-minute time frame, we have witnessed actually a candles, just one candle, moving for about 76 pips on the 5-minute candle. This candle right here, it has moved for about 52 pips, which means this is nothing for the pound USD at the moment. Check this out, it's already falling, The pound USD has fallen for 13 pips in a matter of no time. Alright, so let me just write the signal fast for you. The target, my friends, will be right here, the highest level of the resistance at 1.10656, which means we are aiming 280 pips profit from this signal, and the safe zone should actually be ranging till the lowest level of a previous resistance right here at 1.07063. Actually, I want to expand it a little bit more. Yeah, just like here, till this level of a support at 1.06740, which means the edge of the safe zone is ranging for 107 pips and a take profit level of 282 pips. I can't believe I'm sending this signal for the pound USD, but anyway, let me write it for you. There goes our signal, my friends, for the pound USD. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. Alright, so guys, I need to hurry up with you. I hope you guys did not open the sell order, or if you want, you can keep the sell order, but we will fix this signal. The buy order is no more valid from this point. We are simply going to start buying the AUDUSD from this level, this support right here. Let me just be fast as much as I can. The market seems like it's reversing quickly, and as we can see, yes, it has already begun. So we don't have much time to waste anymore. Let me just tell you something. The AUDUSD, my friends, on the daily chart shows here a very strong bullish engulfing candle. It has actually supersedes this reversed hammer. This is, of course, the inverted hammer, which I have told you about. Once I see this candle, it's actually a good confirmation that the market will start the bullish reversal, and that is indeed what's happening right now. So again, 1 hour candles, we can see right here, my friends, that we had the real level of a resistance right there and right there, which was previously a strong key support level. So I believe buying here is going to be a good idea. Hopefully that support is going to be respected after we are having here a major false breakout. We can actually consider that we had here a real level of a support, then we had here a major false breakout, and then right now we can buy the AUDUSD again from that level of a support, and by that we will have inverted head and shoulders pattern, which indicates that we can continue buying the AUDUSD and keep the trade running till it reaches the resistance at 0.65895, which means we're aiming approximately 103 pips profit from this signal. Meanwhile, the edge of the safe zone will be ranging till the lowest level of the support right here at 0.64468, which means the edge of the safe zone will last for about 40 pips. There goes your signal, my friends, for the AUDUSD. Moving now to the USDCAD. By the way, the AUDUSD still has about 28 pips more to go. Now with the USDCAD. Okay, so the USDCAD, of course, reversed also from the take profit level, which means this signal immediately disqualified. So let's see now what we can do next with the USDCAD. Actually, I will keep the same level here as the take profit level, as the buy order, the previous buy order, and now it will become a sell order right here. Now, if we adjust this support trend line right here, we can see clearly that we had here also another support trend line. As you can see right here, my friends, this was the support trend line. This was, by the way, the real level of a support which has been breaking out from. Exactly, check this out. So we had right here a real level of a support, a real level of a support, then we had here a false breakout. Now, the same level of a previous support was previously also a resistance. So, it's very similar to the AUDUSD. You can say that we had here a real level of a resistance, then a major false breakout, and right now we can start shorting the USDCAD once the market reaches, that level of a resistance, again respecting this level and also retesting the broken support trend line right here. Which means we have to wait for the USDCAD to rise again for about 37 pips before we can continue shorting it. If that happens, oh boy, we are aiming big score right now. We are actually expecting from the market to continue the fall till it reaches that level of strong resistance at 1.35441, which means we are aiming approximately 134 pips profit from this signal. Meanwhile, I'm talking very fast and very quickly. I'm really looking here at these signals. Oh my God, the market is about to approach these levels, especially the pound USD. It fall for about 34 pips since we started recording. Anyway, let me please write the signal for you. There goes your signal, my friends, for the USDCAD. Moving now to the USDJPY, which will not be changed. USDJPY signal just remains the same. The signal has just been triggered and nothing is going to be changed about this signal. I'm expecting actually from this support trend line to be respected. So let's now move to the USDCHF. Alright, so for the USDCHF, my friends, as we can see right here, the market has reversed right from the take profit level as well, meaning this signal is no more valid. However, pay attention, right here exactly, at that level of 0.98268. Now actually, if we go to the daily chart, check this out. This price action is very strong as a bearish breakout. Now we can see that this very long-term resistance has never been respected, never. Now we can see that the market is actually falling below that level of a resistance. So meaning, this is going to be actually another false breakout, just like these two right here. So right now, these are the real level of a resistance. This was, and this was, and this was, all of them, a false breakout. Now we can actually expect from the USDCHF to continue rising, and that level of a previous resistance most likely gonna be respected once again. Very simple and straightforward analysis. Let's go now to the 4-hour time frame. Actually, 1-hour time frame. I want to go back here. Right. So now, right now, we have to wait for the USDCHF to rise for about 47 pips more till it reaches that level of a support. Now, why this support? Because simply we have here the bearish breakout from that level of a support, and right here lies the lowest level of the nearest pin bar, the nearest tail to that bearish breakout candle, which means most likely exactly right here we will be shorting the pair, because that's the level where we are actually expecting from the market to become a new resistance. Now, once we do that, the take profit level has to be placed right here at that support. That is actually the lowest support where the market has already, or actually almost reversed from. Which means the take profit level will be about 101 pips. Meanwhile, the edge of the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging higher than this level of a previous support right there at 0.98772, which means it will be almost 50 pips against 102 pips of a take profit level. And there goes the signal, my friends, for the USDCHF. Moving now to the gold. Alright, so again, my friends, the gold has reversed from the take profit level, meaning this signal is no more valid. So let's see now what we can do next with the gold for the remaining 2 days of this week. Let me, of course, delete the old signal first. Now, it's very important to mention that on the daily chart right now, oh my goodness, this is so ugly. Daily chart also showed here a reversed hammer, which means that the gold is actually going to continue the rise. This price action in general, these 3 candles, usually indicates for a continuation in the bullish reversal. Now, since we're actually aiming to start buying the gold, it's important to look at the left side to identify the strongest support there. So allow me to now to scroll to the left side, hoping to find a very strong key support level, and right there. This support right here, exactly right there, at 1641.26 was actually a very strong key support level, and as you can see, after the bullish breakout from it, when it was a resistance right here, the market has reversed and actually never visit the same level again, only to create a fake breakout. So in general, we had here a fake breakout from that level of a support. Now it's a waiting game. We have to wait for the gold to fall back for about 143 pips, respecting that level of a previous support, and then we can start buying the pair. Moving now to the 1 hour time frame, just to identify this. Now, as you can see, pay attention. The same level, 1641.26, the one I just marked on the daily chart. Check out what happened. This is really interesting. So we can see the same level of a real support respected, fake breakout, again, same level of a real support respected, and we had here another false breakout, and pay attention, the same level became also a new resistance. All of that together indicates that this level of a real support will most likely be respected again, and we can start buying the gold at 1641.26. And of course, if we do that, the take profit level, my friends, has to be placed right here at the nearest strong key resistance level at 1674.15, which means we are actually aiming 326 pips of profit against, I would say about just this much, 128 pips of a safe zone. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the remaining days of this week. Hopefully, guys, it's gonna be profitable. And check this out, the pound USD already fallen, already retesting the level. Let me just review quickly what's happening here, what's going on. The market is indeed reversing and almost there. What I can see right here is interesting. Actually, we might have to change the signal for the pound USD. Yeah, this price action on the 1 hour time frame is worrying me. Now we can see that the candle did not actually move slowly to retest that broken resistance trend line. It seems like the pound USD will actually continue the fall right now. That requires immediate change of the signal. I'm happy I witnessed this before posting the video. So as you can see right now, I'm going to adjust the signal for the pound USD to make sure it's going to be accurate as much as possible. I think we can't rely on this resistance trend line anymore since the market did not respect it. But however, we are also having right here a support trend line. Just like that. Yes, perfect. And now, actually, I'm trying, guys, I'm analyzing this right in front of you, without playing any games, without hiding anything. I'm just really trying to find the best level right in front of you. So as you can see, I'm here analyzing, and we can see right here. So if I expand this line a little bit more, this is interesting right now. Now we can see that we had here a resistance trend line, then we had the bullish breakout, and now this tail right here represents the support trend line, and we can see the same level of a support trend line being respected became a resistance trend line, and right now we can actually expect from the pound USD to continue the fall to 1.07450, and from there we can actually buy the pound USD. That's actually gonna be a better level to buy the pound USD. I hope you guys did not skip this part of the video, otherwise you will be in trouble. Let's see, that is the right level to start buying. We will keep the same take profit level. So anyway, there goes your signal, my friends, for the remaining days of this week. And if things did not go as we are expecting it, I will follow it up with a Friday analysis. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.